Good morning class 10. Welcome back to commercial studies class. Now we will continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 10, sources of finance. In the previous video I explained to you, I gave you a little introduction about this topic, this chapter, that what are the things we will understand in this chapter, and the second thing, that what is the meaning of financial market, okay, and the meaning of financial market. This financial market is of two types, okay. These financial markets are divided into two categories. The first one is your money market and the second one is your capital market. So right now we will understand about the capital market, that what is capital market, right? So let's start. Meaning of capital market, that what is capital market. So what is capital market? It consists of all organizations, institutions and instruments that provide long-term funds. Basically this capital market deals with the long-term funds. ये किससे डील करता है? long-term funds से डील करता है, okay? Whereas this money market deals with the short-term funds. Money market short-term funds से डील करता है. तो now here this capital market consists of all organizations, all those institutions which provides the funds for a long period of time. जो लंबे समय के लिए कोई फंड प्रोवाइड करता है, that is known as your capital market, right? Okay, it is an organized market consisting of the suppliers and the users of the funds and the agencies and institutions which assist in the flow of funds. So basically this capital market, it is an organized market, just like the simple market. In simple market what we do, we just go, we choose the particular product and services, and then we give the money, pay the money, and in return we get that particular thing. So it is a simple market. But when these things, when the financial, okay, the dealing related to money is done in any market, that is known as financial market. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, एक organized market है. This financial market is an organized market where the suppliers and the users both are there. Just like the simple market, यहाँ suppliers भी हैं, users भी हैं. Of funds, related to funds, and the agencies and institutions which assist in the flow of funds. Basically those who are working in this, that they are helping in the flowing of funds, that is known as your capital market. देखो basically क्या होता है capital market में, we all are the basically households, right? We are the savers. क्या है, we are earning money, we are saving the money. हम क्या money भी save करते हैं, right? So now we try to think, we are thinking that कहाँ पे हम इन पैसों को लगाएं, so that in return we get the more benefit, जिससे हमें क्या और भी benefit मिले, right? So we are thinking about this, and the companies and the institution, those who are working in this business, those who are working in this economy and they are participating in business activities, they need money. उनको क्या है, कुछ पैसे चाहिए, okay? They need money. So that's why they want money, and we want to utilize our money in such an area that where we can get the benefit. So we can work in a capital market. तो यहाँ हम वो capital market में काम कर सकते. So we will invest the money, we will give the money, and in return we will get the benefit. And the institutions or the business enterprises, those who need money, they will take the money as a loan, and in return they will give us some benefit, right? So it is an organized market. ये क्या है? Organized market है. It is an institutional arrangement by which savings generated in the country are channelized into avenues of long-term investment. Basically, this capital market, it is an institutional arrangement. ये क्या है? institutional arrangement where basically the savings generated. We know that in any country saving is generated. Saving क्या हो रही है? Generate हो रही है. अगर लोग earning करेंगे तो basically उनकी savings भी बढ़ेगी, राइट? तो जो सेविंग जनरेट होती है उसको सही डायरेक्शन, टू चैनलाइज दिस सेविंग इन अ राइट वे, इन अ प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन, दैट इज अंडर द लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट. थ्रू द लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट, दैट इज योर कैपिटल मार्केट, राइट? बेसिकली कौन कौन से ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूशन होते हैं, दोज हु पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस कैपिटल मार्केट, दैट इज योर बैंक्स, फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, okay, insurance company and many more. So these are the institutions, those who participate in this capital market, okay? There is SEBI also, Security Exchange Board of India, okay? ये capital market को पूरा ओवरव्यू देता है, that is SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, okay? नाउ इंस्ट्रूमेंट किसके किसके थ्रू होता है, व्हाट आर द इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच आर यूज्ड इन दिस कैपिटल मार्केट. कैपिटल मार्केट में कौन कौन से ऐसे इंस्ट्रूमेंट है विच आर यूज्ड बाय दीज पीपल सो दैट द फंड्स कैन बी रेज्ड. ठीक है, दैट इज योर शेयर्स के थ्रू, डिबेंचर्स के थ्रू, bonds के through and many more. We will understand about all these instruments in this chapter, that what is equity shares, what are the preference shares. Okay, we will understand about those things. So I hope that this capital market is clear to you. Okay, now this capital market is divided into two. Okay, that is your primary market and second is your secondary market. This primary market deals with the new issues ऑफ सिक्योरिटी, जहाँ पे नई इश्यूज होती हैं. सो यहाँ पे क्या है, सिर्फ ओनली बाइंग, यहाँ पे सिर्फ बाइंग ऑफ सिक्योरिटीज है, नो सेलिंग, ओनली बाइंग. ठीक है, यहाँ पे बाइंग हो रही है. एंड सेकेंडरी मार्केट में ऑलरेडी कंसर्न विद द स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, या तो ओल्ड कोई सिक्योरिटीज है उससे, जो अवेलेबल सिक्योरिटीज है उससे डीलिंग होती है. एंड इन दिस सेकेंडरी मार्केट बाइंग एंड सेलिंग बोथ इज कंसर्न. यहाँ पे दोनों चीजें होती है, बाइंग भी हो रही है और सेलिंग भी हो रही है. सो दिस मच इज इनफ फॉर दिस क्लास. यहाँ पे आप लोगों को बस इतना बहुत है प्राइमरी मार्केट और सेकेंडरी मार्केट के लिए. ओके, नाउ वी विल अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द फीचर्स ऑफ द कैपिटल मार्केट, दैट व्हाट आर द फीचर्स ऑफ द कैपिटल मार्केट. Understand the features of capital market, right? What are the features of capital market? The first one is flow of capital, right? The first one is flow of capital. Basically, this capital market, it is a platform, or we can say it is a forum which facilitates, जो facilitate करते क्या, flow of capital from investors to borrowers. Okay? ये क्या करती है, facilitate, it provides a platform to the investors, those who want to invest their money, and the borrowers, those who want to borrow or those who want money. Okay, so इन दोनों को क्या करती है, प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड कराती है. Now these investors, because these investors, those who are investing money in that particular industry or market, so these investors, they are expecting the returns. वो बदले में क्या चाहते हैं, रिटर्न्स चाहते हैं, right? And these borrowers, they need money, they need capital to fulfill their financial needs. अपनी financial needs और requirements को fulfill करने के लिए they want money. So basically this capital market provides a platform to investor as well as to borrowers both, right? Next, demand and supply. It is just like a simple market. When there is demand for particular product in the market, then only the supply will be there. Okay, और जब चीज़ों की supply and demand goes parallel, then the market will be in a balanced form. So in the same way, the demand and supply, basically this capital market, it creates demands and supply for the capitals. Okay, interaction between demand and supply of the capital. Okay, अब यहाँ पे क्या है कि borrowers, okay, they demand for the capital. Borrowers यानी जिनको पैसों की ज़रूरत है, okay, the industrialist, okay, तो दे वॉन्ट मनी, उनको पैसों की ज़रूरत है. सो दैट्स वाई दे विल डिमांड फॉर द कैपिटल, वो कैपिटल की डिमांड करेंगे. एंड द इन्वेस्टर्स, दोज हु हैव मनी, दे विल सप्लाई द कैपिटल. वो क्या करेंगे, कैपिटल को सप्लाई करेंगे. एंड इट विल बी पॉसिबल इन द कैपिटल मार्केट ओनली. सो इट प्रोवाइड्स इंटरैक्शन बिटवीन द demand and the supply of the capital. Demand which is created by the borrowers and the supply which is done by the investors. Clear? Next, third one is financial intermediaries. Now this capital market works as a financial intermediaries between your borrowers and the investors. Okay, ये क्या करता है, एक लिंक. It works as a, this capital market works as a bridge. एक ब्रिज की तरह काम करता है, कनेक्टिंग पूल की तरह काम करता है between the borrowers and the investor. In the capital market only we come to know that who want money, okay, किसको ज़रूरत है, and the investor can know, get the information from here only. So यहाँ क्या है, it serves as a link किसके बीच काम कर रहा है, borrowers, those who want money, and the investors, those who are giving money, those who are investing money. ठीक है, अगर कैपिटल मार्केट नहीं होगा तो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर द इन्वेस्टर एज वेल फॉर द बोरोवर्स टू कम इन कॉन्टैक्ट, राइट. सो ये कौन होते हैं, बेसिकली फाइनेंशियल इंटरमीडियरीज, आपके बैंक्स होते हैं, ब्रोकर्स होते हैं, मेनी अदर्स. ओके, सो दीज आर द these capital in this capital market works as a financial intermediaries. Next is financial instrument. Now some financial instruments are used to raise the capital. These financial instruments are used in capital market. Capital market में क्या यूज किया जाता है? फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट टू फैसिलिटेट फ्लो ऑफ कैपिटल, जिससे क्या होता है? फ्लो ऑफ कैपिटल इजी हो जाता है. दैट इज योर इक्विटी शेयर्स, प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स, डिबेंचर एक्सेट्रा. सो दीज आर द इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स विच आर यूज्ड इन दिस कैपिटल मार्केट. इस कैपिटल मार्केट में ये सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज करते हैं, यूज होते हैं फॉर रेजिंग द कैपिटल. ओके, नेक्स्ट लिक्विडिटी. बेसिकली कैपिटल मार्केट प्रोवाइड्स लिक्विडिटी टू इन्वेस्टमेंट. ये क्या प्रोवाइड करता है? प्रोवाइड लिक्विडिटी प्रोवाइड करता है टू द इन्वेस्टर्स. ओके, इन द सिक्योरिटीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ इन्वेस्टर दे वांट मनी, ओके, सो वेन एवर दे वांट कैश, सो दे कैन सेल देयर सिक्योरिटी. कभी भी अगर इन्वेस्टर को कैश की जरूरत है तो वो अपने सिक्योरिटीज को सेल करके कैश ले सकता है. तो इट्स वेरी लिक्विडिटी. देयर इज लिक्विडिटी इन दिस कैपिटल मार्केट. ट्रेडिंग इन सिक्योरिटीज. Basically, this is the most important features. This capital market serves as a market where securities can be bought and sold. So this capital market, it is a market, it is a platform where the securities can be purchased and sold, right? So basically these are the features of capital market: flow of capital, demand and supply, financial intermediaries, financial institutions, liquidity, trading in security, right? So next is your functions of capital market. I hope that you have understood till now. Okay, now in the next video we will start with the functions of market. Thank you so much for watching this video.